How to fix KMPlayer sound problem easy and quick. Welcome everybody. We will fix this problem today. Easy and quick. Let's do it. So you should open first the settings of your device. Click right now at the apps option and hit search for KMPlayer and click. You will see right now this list. Go to the storage option, click clear cache, and back then click on force stop and click here OK. So now just move to Play Store or App Store, update your KMPlayer and restart your mobile phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.